Welcome to this crash course on Agentic AI in LangChain. Let me first walk you through the topics and the technology stack we'll use throughout the video. We won't just discuss the theory behind generative AI and Agentic AI, we'll do a lot of hands-on coding. So keep your code editor open and practice along with me. By the end, we'll build two solid projects. The first is a shopping agent, similar to Amazon's Rufus AI, where you search through products and place an order. You can even search using an image, or we'll use multimodal AI. It's a complete end-to-end project that will look great on your resume. The second project is a telecom RAG chatbot. As knowledge sources, we'll use three different ones: a CSV file, a SQLite database, and a PDF. We'll cover chunking strategies and many important RAG concepts, and we'll use Streamlit as the user interface for both projects. The only prerequisite is basic Python knowledge. You don't need to know anything else. Anyone who wants to become an AI engineer, or to lead AI projects in a leadership position, will benefit from this course. A little about myself: I've worked at big tech companies like Bloomberg and Nvidia for more than 17 years. Right now I run an AI consultancy called Atlic, where we've delivered more than 25 AI projects for clients in the US and the UK. Everything I teach is based on real industry experience. Let's start with some theory on generative AI. We all know we can type a question into ChatGPT and it will generate new text or even a new image. You type a prompt, and a large language model, the heart of applications like ChatGPT, produces the result. Whether you use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, at the heart of it is a large language model. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content: text, images, audio, video, or even code. There's also traditional AI. Before ChatGPT, AI already existed. Fraud detection, for example, used lightweight statistical models such as XGBoost or Random Forest to classify whether a transaction is fraud or not. There you're not generating new text, you take an input and simply label it. If we look at the landscape, artificial intelligence has several components. The first is machine learning, which is either statistical ML or deep learning. Deep learning is all about neural networks. The transformer is a new architecture that made the modern AI revolution possible, and LLMs are based on it.